What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's continue off yesterday on a couple things I did not do, which was brainstorm. New idea, okay? So, and what I came up with while brainstorming my new idea was, well, holy cow, how have I really moved forward from my last idea? So what I came up with is in my meditation, let's just say, I came up with time is not the issue. Time is not the issue. So what do I mean by that? Well, it takes 24 hours. It takes 2 days. It takes, to print that print. Okay, well then that's going to justify your money then, okay? The time equals money. So now what I mean by all this is don't sacrifice strength, wall numbers, densibility, infill percentile, just because you want it to go faster. Save the quality for the customer and for your company. That's what I'm thinking. I might be wrong here, okay? I might be wrong. But, we're going to move forward with this. And what I'm saying is, how do you know when you're going to buy more printers? Well, that's obvious. When you start selling the product, then you get more printers. It's that simple, right? So that's what my model is going to be based on, and that's why you also want to make it fulfillment. I don't know if I spelled that right. Fulfillment is key. Let's put a key on there, huh? Look at that. That doesn't really look like a key. Maybe that does. Okay. So that's what I came up with. Fulfillment. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, you can just keep your printers going. Okay. So another thing, number 2. So that's number 1. Time is not the issue. Never the issue. If time is the issue, you're doing something wrong. Step 1 is going to be making the money. Step 2 is going to be figuring out how to spend your money to make it so time is not the issue. Number 2 is embrace Etsy personalization. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm moving forward here, and I'm like brainstorming my next idea, but it's like, I'm just going to put this, so let's go retrospector. I'm just going to put this listing on Etsy and then just, the hell with it and move forward, Well, guess what? Etsy has all this personalization. I can make these all different colors. I can make this stuff, 2 different colors, the bottom and the top. So I haven't even started my personalization yet. So that's what I'm doing. So this is my old bust right here, and this is my new bust. So I'm going to make it so it's white, gold, and silver. Those are the colors you can choose, and marble. So there's going to be 4 colors you can choose to make these. And you can see the difference in these models. This guy here looks like he's fat. This guy here, you can see he's all cut and curved and nice. And so yeah, there's going to be one of these guys like this. I'm going to have them all separated as I make them. So I have some filament to buy. But that's what I mean. I'm going to embrace my Etsy personalization. I haven't even started. I'm going to embrace my Etsy personalization. I haven't even started using Etsy yet to its full potential yet. So let's get that down first. Let's really make these sales. Okay, where'd my marker go? Okay, so that's what I mean by embrace Etsy personalization. Cubic infill. One thing I've learned. I've tested this, and cubic infill is by far the strongest infill I've came across. I do recommend that. Cubic infill will definitely help you strength. Go ahead, see how versatile it is. I use it on everything now, and it doesn't wrap the heck out of your machine. So I would suggest using cubic infill. Another thing, okay, number 4, cryo grip. I had a double cryo grip plate failure. The plate is garbage. I'm not going to put glue on it. I still have my textured PEI plates to put glue on them. So I'm running 2 plates now, textured PEI. And I will have to be purchasing another one. It ran probably a couple hundred, 200 to 300 big giant light boxes. So it definitely did the $20 worth. I'm going to definitely buy more of those because I do not want to deal with putting glue on everything. For some reason, I see folks, if they order all bamboo stuff, they don't have an issue. I'm not sure. Folks don't have an issue, and some folks do. Okay. And last and not least is the momentum. The momentum, man. That is what's killing me and killing a lot of folks. Oh, I gotta post 100 things. I gotta do. Oh, I'm gonna move forward on to the next project, and you got your other project print, and you haven't figured out how to personalize it, how to make it so it's appealing to the customer. Your momentum is slow down and make sure the number one thing you just made is selling. It's got to be selling. Sell, 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 sell. If it's not selling, you're going to move forward to the next move forward to what? Your last product. You know what I mean? So try to make something that you love and see if other folks like it. And if not, try to bend it to make it so they might like what you already created. So that way you're in it, you know. Anyways. Okay, anyway, number 2, what I have today is to create the light box. Okay, that will be created today, and that will be 2 designs. There'll be 2 back plates. What I mean by that is one back plate will have a cord with the USB, and one back plate will just have a battery pack, and that'll be interesting going through that. Other than that, I have Christmas presents today and stuff like that. Same stuff as yesterday, but these are the only 2 things I'm giving myself today. I'm going to take brainstorm. The new idea is going to be off the list, and we'll talk about that later. But as of right now, I'm considering that done. It's already 10 o'clock today, and I came up with these items in my brainstorming. So let's see what I come up with today. I'll quit talking. Have a great time. Hey, what's going on here? Just checking out today's harvest. This is orange PLA I got a long time ago. For some reason, I have 3 spools of it. But I just want to show you guys. There's specific settings I use to make this silk the most gorgeous looking silk you've ever seen. I'm going to do the same with the silk filament that I'm doing with the statue. And you guys are going to love it. I guarantee it. These guys, I printed 3 of these guys. And there these guys are. And these are presents for folks. And this is beige filament. We got 3 of those guys. It turned out that's one print. 3 of those fellas. And another one of my nephews likes army tanks. So this is one part of it. It just connects with these square dowels here. Glue them together. And the other sides are in there cooking. Or in there growing right now as we're speaking. So I just wanted to share today's harvest with you guys and take a break from my designing. Sweet. What's up, everyone? How's it going? My lights are still on. They're a little dull, but they're still on. AA battery. We're going to get that hooked up today, and we're going to design that in. Let's get started. All right, so that's what it's going to look like. Any tips and tricks, let me know. I have no idea how we're going to hang this. If somebody wants to hang it, I have no idea how we're going to do that. We'll think about something. There's a will, there's a way. So, anyways, maybe I'll put posts on it or something. No, I don't know. Anyways, take it easy, you guys. Let's see what I come up with next. All right, everybody. I hope you had a great day today. I hope you had a great Christmas yesterday. As I talked about at the beginning of the video, there's my 5 tips, 5 notes that I brainstormed up. I did create my light box with just a battery pack for right now. I'm going to build it anyways. On Sunday, I'm going to get the clip USB, female USB port, and then I will design that in. So I will not put that on my Etsy site till Sunday. Anyways, hope you guys had a great Christmas and have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.